All right, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Beautiful day here in Las Vegas. Temperatures around 60 in the shade. It's probably about 50s. Oh, look at this. We got a brand new Escalade. Beautiful vehicle. So if you guys are looking to purchase a home, we get to chauffeur you guys around in this beautiful luxury premium vehicle. But anyway, real quick, I just want to say thank you for all the people out there who have been supporting me, because at the end of the day, I would not be able to get that vehicle if it wasn't for you guys. So today I'm actually out here in the city of Las Vegas, beautiful master plan community of Summerlin. We got a brand new track here, and it's called Quail Cove. And these are 3-story homes by KB Homes. And what I like about this is that KB's, believe it or not, a lot of people talk smack about this company, but I can tell you, like, the customer service, the company has really changed for the good. And the quality of the build is starting to be there, believe it or not. Now, when I say starting to be there, quality of the build is already there, but they're adding more and more upgrades to the home. And this is like the only builder right now that really allows you at this price point to pick options, because I see a lot of builders now, they're speccing out the homes. They're not even giving you an option to pick stuff. Now here in Quail Cove, we are on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, and we're probably about a good 20 minutes from Harry Reid International. Let me show you the view here. Look how gorgeous that is. We got the strip right there, okay? And the way that these homes are designed, the garage, okay, is really towards the back of the home. The front of the home is on the opposite side. So it's a little bit different. They want you to live, work, play outside, right? Come outside, which is, I think, is kind of fascinating. Now, this is the first time that KB is building a 3-story home. And for the price right now, up in Summerlin, these are like really good pricing, and the upgrades that you can do is very fascinating, especially at this price point where a lot of builders are now, like I said, they're speccing out homes. But take a look at this 3-story right here. So as you can see, when I say the quality build now, if you take a look, a lot of the builders now, or this builder, is shearing the outside of the home. What is shearing? Basically, you see this right here, the plywood. A lot of builders do not do that. This builder is starting to shear the home, which costs more money because plywood is very expensive, but the structure of the home makes it more sturdy. As you can see, look at this. It's all trenched, all ready to go. Now, the HOAs in this community, just for this neighborhood alone, Quail Coves, is gonna run you $95 a month. But then now, the master plan of Summerlin, they've increased their HOAs. Now it's $60 a month. And the view up here is gorgeous. The temperature is about a 10-degree difference, believe it or not. Now, each lot is gonna be roughly about 21 to 2,300 square feet. So it's not really a big backyard. So you're not gonna even like really have a yard. That's just how it is here in this community. Now they do have some SIDs, which is Special Improvement District. That's gonna run you every 6 months, $263. The balance on here is about $7,770, roughly, depending on which lot you pick. As you can see, they've already done the smooth coat stucco here. We've got more lots on this side. And then we have 4 different floor plans to pick and choose from, which is really nice. So the first floor plan, the smallest one, will be 1,651 square feet. This is a 3-story home here, as you can see, okay? You have an option anywhere from a 2 to 3 bedroom. However, I probably would do a 3 just on the resale value. You also have an option 2.5 bath to 3.5. I'd probably upgrade it to 3.5. Now, there's 3 elevations to pick and choose from on this. Okay, elevation A, and that's what this is right here, is gonna run you $474,990, and that's just the base price, okay? Now, you're probably gonna be spending maybe about $100,000 into this deal. Now, one thing I do wanna say is we have a total of 141 lots. They just broke ground, and they sold already a couple models. So if you guys are interested and want to move up to Summerlin, I think with the price here and with the options and the upgrades, I think you're going to do very well. Now, elevation B is starting off at $477,390. Elevation C will cost you $478,590. Now, this is at the time of this video. Pricing may change. Now let's take a look at this one right here, and this one is pretty gorgeous. Now what I like about this is that it already comes with a balcony for all 4 of these. Now this is the 1920 square feet, or the 1920 floor plan, which is 1,920 square feet, 3 bedrooms. You have an option to go to 4 and 2.5 to 3.5 with a 2-car garage. This right here, the base price starts you off at $494,990. Elevation B on that is $500,890, or elevation C, $500,290. Now this one right here, this is a gorgeous one right here, okay? This right here is 2,226 square feet. Option from 3 to 4 bedrooms. Same thing, 2.5 to 3.5 bath. And the base price for elevation A will start you off at $529,990. Elevation B will be at $538,490. Elevation C will start off at $536,390. Now, your upgrade premium on here, you're not going to do all the bells and whistles, right? But you're probably going to spend roughly about 15 to 20% of the base price just to get a lot of the options. Now, here we have the 2,302 square feet, option from 3, right, to 4 bedrooms. Again, 2.5 to 3.5, 2-car garage. Base price on this, right, is going to start you off. Let me take a look at my notes here. $539,990, and that's elevation A. Elevation B will be at $551,390, and elevation C, $560,790. Now, there's only one way in, one way out, as you can see right here. And also what's going to happen is the build time on here, 6 to 8 months. So production is moving pretty quickly here, okay? So as you can see, the road over here hasn't been built yet, but this is all slated, all ready to go. I'm trying to think what else. Did I miss anything else? I think that is pretty much it. I always stress this all the time. If you're thinking about buying a home, this is your first home, it's very important that you contact an agent like myself to help you and walk you through this process. Now, there are some incentives at the time of this video. So the incentives right now, I was told that it's $15,000 towards your buy down, right? But then towards your closing costs, you can get the SIDS or LIDS. With your closing costs, you can actually get owner title policy and transfer tax on this, and that's roughly about another $3,200. But it doesn't mean you can't negotiate this deal. You can negotiate whatever you want. You just cannot negotiate the base price. Okay, so that's just a quick tip. But this is just very fascinating because I've never seen KB Homes build a 3-story home. So I'm actually very excited about this. Now, if you guys want to check out the video, click on link here, link here, link here, and link here. And let me know what your thoughts are. Other than that, guys, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It is a great website to get started. Also, the link in this video, if you guys are looking to purchase a brand new home, I have all the new homes being built right now. So you can go to one website. You're able to take a look at all the brand new homes out here in Las Vegas. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Chakits, and be blessed. Peace.